Welcome to Tokyo, a city filled with energy, accuracy, and speed. Beneath its towering skyline is one of the world's most efficient, punctual, and sophisticated transportation systems. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a new resident, navigating Tokyo's complex network can be overwhelming. Tokyo has it all: trains, subways, buses, taxis, bicycles, and even boats, and each mode is designed to run smoothly and efficiently. This guide will explain everything for you, including the many modes of transportation, how to use them, the cards and passes you'll need, and insider hints that only locals know. By the end, you'll not only know how to navigate Tokyo, but you'll be able to do so with ease. Let we begin. JR East Trains Japan Railways. The JR East network is one of the biggest in Tokyo, and the most iconic part is the Yamanote line, a green-colored loop line that connects major hubs like Shibuya, Shinjuku, Ikebukuro, Tokyo Station, and Ueno. Key JR lines in Tokyo: Yamanote line, green, loops through central Tokyo; Chuo line, orange, cuts across Tokyo east-west, great for fast access; Keihin-Tohoku line, light blue, runs north-south, parallel to the Yamanote. How to use it: look for the JR logo, usually green and white, buy tickets at machines or use an IC card. Suica or Pasmo, platform signs are in Japanese and English. Trains arrive every 2 to 3 minutes during peak hours. Pro tips: avoid rush hour 7:30 to 9:30 a.m. and 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. Use the green car's reserved seats for a quieter, more comfortable ride on some lines. Download NAVITIME or Google Maps for train routes and platform info. Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway. These two systems form Tokyo's subway network, with 13 lines combined. They reach places JR trains don't, like residential neighborhoods and business districts. Tokyo Metro, 9 lines, includes popular lines like the Ginza Line, Hibiya Line, and Chiyoda Line, identified by letter codes, E.GG for Ginza Line, and color-coded maps. Toei Subway, 4 lines, run by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government, includes the Edo Line, which loops underground through major city points. How to use: tickets can be bought from multilingual vending machines. IC cards work on both systems. Transfers between Tokyo Metro and Toei may require a separate fare. Pro tips: for unlimited rides, grab a Tokyo subway ticket. 24, 48, or 72-hour passes. Always follow the exit numbers. They lead you directly to landmarks or streets. Use the Tokyo Subway navigation app for simplified route planning. IC cards, Suica and Pasmo. If there's one thing you must have in Tokyo, it's an IC card. Suica and Pasmo are rechargeable smart cards that let you ride nearly any train, subway, bus, and even buy from vending machines and convenience stores. Where to get one: at airport stations, Narita, Haneda, or major JR and metro stations. Suica is for JR East and Pasmo is used on private rail metro, but both work the same. How to use: tap the card on the ticket gate sensor. Recharge at machines with English menus, can be linked to mobile phones. Mobile Suica for iPhones. Pro tips: set up auto recharge via mobile apps to never run out. Cards can be refunded if you return them at JR offices. Private railways. These lines go beyond central Tokyo into neighboring prefectures and are perfect for trips to Yokohama, MT Takao, or theme parks. Popular lines: Odakyu line, best for Hakone or Enoshima. Tokyu line, connects Tokyo with suburbs. Keio line, heads to MT Takao. Keisei line, runs to Narita Airport. How to use: use your IC card or buy paper tickets. Platforms are color-coded, with English announcements. Pro tips: use limited express trains for faster rides at little or no extra cost. Some lines offer romance car trains with reserved panoramic seats. Buses. Tokyo's bus system complements trains and reaches areas subways don't cover. Buses are reliable and inexpensive, though more complex due to less English signage. Types of buses: Toei buses, operated by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. Community buses, cheaper, short-distance local buses. Airport limousine buses, connect major hotels and airports. How to use: board from the front or back. depending on the line. Pay a flat fare, 210 yen, with IC card or exact change. Press the stop button when your stop is announced. Pro tips: use the Toei bus route map or Google Maps for navigation. Try the Tokyo BRT, Bus Rapid Transit, for scenic routes along the bay. Taxis. Taxis in Tokyo are clean, safe, and technologically advanced, but expensive. How to use: hail on the street, look for a red light and available, or use apps like Go, S.RIDE, or Japan Taxi to call one. Doors open and close automatically. Fares: base fare, around 500 yen for the first 1.052 km. Rates increase with distance and time. Pro tips: few drivers speak English. Use a destination card or show the address on your phone. Credit cards and IC cards are accepted in most taxis. Taxis are great for late-night travel when trains stop running after midnight. Bicycles and bike sharing. Tokyo is extremely bike-friendly, especially in neighborhoods like Shimokitazawa or Kichijoji. Options: rent from local shops or use bike share services like Docomo Bike Share. Sign up online or via the app. How to use: register your account and use QR codes to unlock. Return bikes at any designated port. Pro tips: use sidewalks or designated bike lanes. Obey traffic lights. Police will stop you if you don't. Some apartments and hotels have free rentals. Ask. Boats and ferries. Want a break from land? Tokyo has scenic boat rides and ferries, especially around Tokyo Bay. Popular routes: Tokyo Water Bus from Asakusa to Odaiba, Himiko and Honolulu. Futuristic ferries designed by Leiji Matsumoto. How to use: buy tickets at the pier or book online. Check schedules. They run less frequently than trains. Pro tips: best way to travel between Asakusa, Odaiba, and Hamarikyu Gardens. Go in the evening for a gorgeous skyline view. Airport transfers. Narita Airport, NRT, Narita Express, NEX, direct to Tokyo, Shinjuku, Yokohama, Keisei Skyliner, fast to Ueno and Nippori. Limousine bus, door-to-door service to hotels. Haneda Airport, HND, Tokyo Monorail to Hamamatsucho Station, connects to JR Yamanote, Keikyu Line, into central Tokyo. Pro tips: NEX offers discount round-trip passes for tourists. If arriving late, consider staying at an airport hotel. Train stop by midnight. Transportation passes, for tourists. Tokyo subway ticket 24, 48, 72 hours, unlimited metro and Toei rides. JR Pass, nationwide, great if traveling beyond Tokyo. Greater Tokyo Pass, unlimited private rail and bus rides for 3 days. For residents, commuter passes, monthly or seasonal passes for specific routes, available at machines or station offices. Pro tips: passes can be added to IC cards for easy use. Combine passes with mobile apps to track savings. Essential apps: Google Maps, reliable for transit directions. NAVITIME Japan Travel, best all-in-one route planner. Tokyo Subway Navigation, official app by Tokyo Metro. Japan Taxi, Go, S.RIDE, for calling taxis. Docomo Bike Share, bike rentals across Tokyo. Tokyo's transportation system is more than just a means of getting from point A to point B, it is an integral aspect of the city's soul. Once daunting, it becomes second nature. From the hum of the Yamanote line to the tranquil glide of a ferry over Tokyo Bay, the city's rhythm pervades every train, bus, and street. Now that you understand how the system works, you're not simply visiting Tokyo, you're moving with it. So swipe your card, board that train, and watch the city unfold around you. Welcome aboard.